Is that the guy that was leading it yesterday?
Hey, Ann, your turn for video.
Oh, look at him sliding around that corner. Wow, I bet you that gets a little gnarly.
They get sprayed.